This is Tokyo on a budget. Today we're going to see how far our money goes in this world famous expensive city. We have a few tricks for you to try if you are on a budget in Japan and some very fun activities we're going to be doing later.
So I've been doing a lot of research about free things to do in Tokyo and I managed to find this free viewpoint. Most of the other ones in the city are paid for and I think it's one of these buildings here.
The Observatory is in Tower 1. Make sure you remember that. Write that down. So cool. It's so crazy. This whole city just feels like a model because everything just looks so perfect. It's like a little mini model city. So we're actually 200 meters high. Kind of shows you how big of a city Tokyo is because it just goes on forever. Because it's free, if you're on a budget, it doesn't even matter. So definitely come up here. Coming down, my ears were just popping continuously. It is that high up. So definitely go check it out. So we need to jump on the metro now, but there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can use the Suica card, Tweaker card. You can get that on Apple Pay, or you can actually get a physical card as well, and you can just top it up really easy, and you just tap on. We found a little secret to save even more money, and that is if you're a tourist, you can get a 24-hour, 48-hour, or 72-hour pass, and it saves you money if you're doing loads of trips around the city. So we have just entered Shinkaju station, and this is potentially the world's busiest station. So this could be quite chaotic. There are 200 exits, so if you're gonna meet someone here, make sure you choose the right exit because there's 200. We're just walking through this long corridor to the main bit now.
So here is the actual station, like the main bit where the trains are, and we're all the way here, and we're still in the station. We have like all of this
underground passageway. Crazy.
These apples are £5 for 2 apples. It's so expensive. If
Broccoli.
you're on a budget, you're not going to be eating any fruit.
Especially not broccoli. How much is a broccoli? Oh, that's probably the cheapest thing here. It's starting to get a bit busy now.
I have no idea which way we're supposed to go.
It's not even rush hour.
There's like 10 different directions. JR lines.
It is starting to get very busy now. There's people everywhere. There's so many different lines, noises.
Oh, I think it's back that way.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Google Maps is the only way to get around this place.
So we are in Shibuya now, which is like the crazy town. And we're about to meet a couple of our friends who are here in Tokyo as well. So we're gonna go meet them at the middle of Shibuya Crossing, which is like, you know, the
busiest crossway in the world.
This might be interesting, might be quite hard, but we'll see if we can find them.
Our friends have just said they're here, so we're gonna see them in the center in a minute, hopefully.
Let's go find these guys. Where are they?
We're looking for 2 tall blonde guys.
Yeah, that can't be hard. 2 tall blonde guys. Where are they? Any direction. Hey, there they are. You stand out. Hey, buddy. Hey. So we are heading to this really, really cool place and very, very affordable as well. Hopefully there's not a long line because there seems to be so many long lines here.
I'm really, really excited for this food, I think.
Oh, you just walked into it. This is a Sushi Train restaurant. Here we go.
So we have these little iPad screens to choose our sushi.
Look at all these menu options. There's so much. You can even get dessert, fruit, alcohol, soft drinks.
I think I'm gonna go for
Tuna salmon.
Tuna salmon or salmon.
Place order. Right, let's see how long it takes to come. Whose is this? Oh yeah, this is mine. Here we go. Woohoo!
Look at that.
Look at that beauty. So each one of these is 130 yen. How good is that?
4 for 2, right?
For 2, which is under a pound. That's like 80p, isn't it?
Yeah.
She's gone for it all. Is it good?
It's so good.
130 yen, well spent. I've got more coming. Here we go. Look at that. That's a bit different.
Ooh, yum.
Oh, you have to make sure you accept it as well. Josh just ordered loads of food.
By accident.
How much have you ordered?
Too much. It just keeps coming.
You've got so many plates.
I didn't order that one. It just appeared.
Oh.
Or you can actually do sushi better luck next time.
Fruit is honestly so expensive in Japan, so I've got this pineapple for 120, which is the cheapest we've found any fruit for.
So we just finished that sushi restaurant. Honestly, it is so much fun. I've kind of forgotten the name, but I'll put it down below. And it only costs £7.50 for 2 people, which is just insane. I think we're going to go maybe to an arcade area now, or I don't know. Let's go see, because this place is awesome at night.
We've just found an arcade, so we're gonna go try out some games. It's so bright in here. I'm kind of wondering if we're gonna be able to understand anything or if it's all in Japanese.
Yeah. Right, I'm gonna try and win one of these little fluffy dogs for Emilia.
Please get this one, his head's stuck.
Yeah, this guy doesn't look too healthy right
Someone
here.
needs to rescue him.
100 yen, that's so cheap. So maybe like 60p, so let's give it a go. I've got loads of these coins, I might as well use them up. Which one should I go for?
Anyone you can get.
This one. This... Go on, go on, go on! Go on! Come on, come on! I've got him, I've got him!
Please, please, please.
Oh! No way! No! No! I thought I had him! I'm going again. Another 60p. No! Go!
Oh my god. No.
That was close!
I want to win the Kit Kat because I don't think I'm going to fit one of those toys in my bag.
Okay.
I really messed up. This game is
They've
a fraud.
literally stolen our money. So we've just come into like the different arcade games. Emilia's got a motorbike. Janice over here, he's going to do some basketball for 200 yen. But this is all part of the experience of Japan. Even though, you know, we probably are wasting money, you've got to spend money to have some fun, don't you?
It's a bit of fun.
It's a bit of fun, that's all it is.
I didn't even have to pay for this one. I can just go like this.
Whoa, look at him go!
Bring it on!
We won!
We beat the guys!
We have finally found an ice cream vending machine.
Which one are you going for?
I might get this Hershey's chocolate, although I'm not, that looks kind of weird, I'm not gonna lie.
It's only costing 150 yen, which is like just under a pound.
It's so cheap. Okay.
The money's gone in.
There it is.
Is it cold? Oh, it is, yeah, it's ice. It's got red beans in it. Is it not good? Oh no.
It's so good. You want some?
Oh, it's hard. It's like a rock. A bit cardboardy. It's like cardboard.
Would you get it again?
Probably not, but it's only less than a pound, so got to be on a budget.
You can't enjoy things when you're on a budget. We honestly had so much fun at the arcade. I haven't been to one in years, but I really, really enjoyed it, and you have to go if you come to Tokyo.
So a big part of your budget is obviously going to be your accommodation, but we've actually found an absolute gem not too far out of the city. This place is called Lodging Tokyo TJ03, and it's amongst 3 train stations, so it's so easy to get into the city, and it's very cheap. Let's go in and show you around. In here is the common area with a kitchen, and you have capsule style beds. These are completely private with curtains. This hostel was such great value, and they even cleaned it twice a day. And this is only going to put you back £13 a night each.
First off, we're going to grab some breakfast, and the cheapest way to do this in Tokyo is to go to the convenience stores.
In Tokyo, there's literally convenience stores everywhere. Family Mart, 7-Elevens.
Walked 1 minute down the road and we found a Family Mart.
So in these convenience stores, there's literally so many different options. It's a little bit bare at the moment, but honestly, normally they are packed. And you can get spaghetti, udon noodles, sushi. So how much is this sushi you've just picked up?
420 yen.
Which is so good, so much cheaper than like the UK or elsewhere in the world.
And it's so fresh, look at it, it looks so good.
So I think I'm gonna go for this spaghetti. It's only 430 yen and the portion looks pretty decent. And so you can actually heat these up in the microwaves. When you go to the counter, they ask if you want it hot in Japanese, so just assume they're asking and they'll heat it up for you. Got our bits, here we go. There was like hot chicken and like hot dogs and like stuff you can get from the actual counter. Cooked that food right in 7-Eleven or Family Mart. As we're in Japan, they gave us chopsticks to eat spaghetti, not like a fork, but I kind of like it. So behind me is the Mario Kart, and you can actually do it around the streets of Tokyo. You basically dress up as these Mario Kart characters and drive these little buggies. I think it costs like 100 USD, but if you do want to do it, you do need an international driving license, but I'll leave a link in the description to that. Anyway, let's go back to our budget activities.
There are so many umbrellas. Like, just look around at these umbrellas.
Oh, it's mental.
What's going on?
So what did we do?
We brought an umbrella because we wanted to fit in. We wanted to be like locals.
Oh, that's quality. We love a quality umbrella here in Tokyo.
We're definitely locals now.
Oh yeah, we fit in well. What have we just found?
There's these little vending machines, and I think basically you press it and you pay, and then you go inside the restaurant and you figure out, and they give you your food. Like, it's just ready. Should we try it?
Let's give it a go. Should we insert money and see? Shrimp, wonton, ramen.
I'm gonna try this one. Is this for us already? Wow, we actually ordered and the guy came out and was like checking it. I have absolutely no idea what I ordered. I just clicked on one because there was a queue behind me and I felt pressure.
So our ramen just arrived. This is a wonton noodle ramen and it looks so good. We've got a couple of eggs, some pork. Portions look really big.
This is actually so good. That ramen was so good. Mine was sort of like citrony with like a bit of pork and the eggs, even though I don't like eggs, and the noodles was so good.
I am now like super full and it cost 980 Japanese yen each, and it was so cool like putting it into the machine and stuff. I'd recommend checking those kind of things out. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next one. Where are we going in the next video?
Somewhere else in Japan.
Somewhere else in Japan. You should definitely subscribe right now. Go down, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.